Hi, friends. Welcome back to Toon Talk English, where learning English is not just about studying, it's about having fun while you do it. I'm Neha, your friend, and today you're going to listen to a complete English conversation between two people meeting online for the first time to practice English together. You'll hear real life greetings, small talk, and even a deeper discussion on one topic, all in clear, easy to follow English. And here's the best part, you'll hear a few useful words repeated again and again so you remember them naturally. Let's jump in.
Hello there. Can you hear me all right?
Yes, loud and clear. Hi, nice to finally connect with you.
Nice to connect with you too, Neha. So, how have you been today?
Oh, I've been doing really well. Thank you for asking. I had a busy morning, but now I'm feeling relaxed and ready to practice. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well too. My day started off a bit slow, but I'm feeling enthusiastic now that we're here talking.
That's great to hear. I like that you said enthusiastic. That's a nice word. It sounds positive.
Exactly. It means feeling excited or really interested in something. I guess that's how I feel about practicing English with new people.
Same here. It's always more fun to learn when the other person is enthusiastic.
So, I guess we're here mainly to practice our English skills.
Yes, but before we jump straight into grammar or vocabulary, I think it's better to get to know each other first. That way, the conversation feels more natural.
Agreed. Once we know each other a little, it's easier to engage in longer conversations without running out of things to say.
Exactly, and that's another great word you used, engage.
Right. Engage means to take part in something or get involved actively, and that's what we're doing right now.
All right, so let's start with something simple. Where are you from, Raj?
I'm from Sydney, Australia. It's a beautiful city with lots of beaches and outdoor activities. How about you?
I'm from Mumbai, India. It's a big, busy city with lots of energy. Sometimes too much energy.
That sounds exciting. What do you usually do during your weekends?
I like to spend time outdoors, maybe go hiking if the weather is good, or just relax with a book.
Nice. I usually hang out with friends or explore new cafes. I'm really enthusiastic about trying different coffee flavors.
Oh, me too. Maybe we already share something in common.
So here's a fun question. If you could visit any country in the world, where would you go?
Hmm. I think I'd go to Japan. I love the mix of tradition and modern life there. Plus, I want to try authentic ramen.
That's interesting. From my perspective, Japan is also fascinating because of its technology and culture.
I like how you use the word perspective. It's a great way to express your personal view or opinion.
Exactly. And in my perspective, travel is one of the best ways to learn a language.
True. You get to engage with local people and practice in real situations. All right, let's pick one topic to discuss more deeply. How about, is learning English easier with technology or in a classroom?
Good topic. From my perspective, technology makes learning much more flexible. I can watch videos, join online classes, and talk to people from all over the world, like we're doing now.
That's true. I also think technology allows us to engage with English anytime we want. But I see another perspective. In a classroom, you get face-to-face interaction, which can be very motivating.
I agree. A classroom gives you structure, but technology gives you freedom. Personally, I'm more enthusiastic about online learning because it fits my schedule better.
I'm a mix. I'm enthusiastic about both. I think the best way is to combine them.
Yes, a blended approach. That way you can engage with real people in person and still use technology to keep practicing at home.
You know, Raj, it's really helpful to practice these kinds of conversations. When we talk like this, it feels easier to remember new words and phrases.
Absolutely, Neha. It's much better than just reading from a book or memorizing lists. Using words naturally helps them stick in your mind.
Yes, and sometimes even if we make mistakes, it's okay because that's part of learning.
Right. The important thing is to keep practicing and stay confident.
Exactly. So let's keep chatting and try to use those new words often. You know, we've used some interesting words today. Enthusiastic, perspective, engage.
Yes, and the more we use them in real conversation, the more natural they feel.
Exactly. For example, I'm enthusiastic about traveling. My perspective is that it helps you grow, and I always engage with locals when I visit a new place.
And I'm enthusiastic about online learning. My perspective is that it gives me freedom, and I try to engage in at least one English conversation every day.
See? We just practice them again without thinking too much.
Well, Neha, this was a great first session. I feel like we already learned a lot about each other.
Yes, and I think starting with personal questions really helped us engage better.
Agreed. I'm enthusiastic about our next conversation already.
Same here. And from my perspective, this is going to be a fun learning journey.
Great. Let's plan a chat again and explore different topics.
Definitely. See you then, Raj. And that's how two people can meet online for the first time, practice English naturally, and pick up new words without studying them in a boring way. If you enjoyed this conversation, hit that subscribe button and join me, Neha, every day on Toon Talk English for more fun, real-life English practice. Remember, the best way to learn is to stay enthusiastic, share your perspective, and always engage with English whenever you can. See you next time.